know you can check your Saudi employment contract online. Many people don't, but it's super easy on Qiwa. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to check your employment contract on the Qiwa platform, so you can confirm your job title, salary, and company details anytime.
Start with opening your browser and search qiwa.sa. Tap on searching. Now tap this three icon. Tap on login. Use your Igama and your password to login. You can also use Nafath application. I will use Nafath login. Give me a minute, let me quick login. I have successfully logged into my Qiwa account. Now tap on individual account. It will take you to the next step. Now tap the three icon. Tap on my current job. Here we go. This is your all contract information. Scroll down and check everything about your job.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Saudi updates.